Hey guys, welcome to this video. In this video, we're going to go over how to use the power rule in logarithms. It's very simple. It's basically if there's log of log base b of m to the power of k, we can move the power value of k into the front of the log, and it becomes k times log to the base of b of m. So if we have a number of, say, for example, we have log base 6 to the power of 8 is, and then let's say squared. This becomes the 2 comes to the goes to the front, so it becomes 2 times log base 6 of 8. So that's basically how the log rule works. Now we're going to do a simple problem using this power rule in log, and we have a question here of log base 3 of 729 minus 2 log base 3 to the power of 3 to the power of 3 plus log base 4 of 16 plus 2 log base 4 of 2. It's a very easy question, guys. So what we're going to do is we first have to simplify it. We're going to get these numbers into power form so that we can use the power rule. So log of base 3 of 729. 729 is 9 cubed, or 729 is equal to 3 to the power of squared times cube. So 729 will be 3 to the power of 6. So we have log, so log base 3 times 3 to the power of 6. Okay, so 6 becomes goes to the front, so this becomes basically 6 log the base 3 of 3, and 3 to the base log 3 log 3 base 3 of 3 is equal to 1. So this becomes 6. Sorry, this becomes 6. So this becomes 6, and then 2 log to the base 3 of 3 cubed. Well, the 3 goes to the frontier again, so it becomes 2 times 3 times log base 3 times of 3, and this becomes 1, and 2 times 3 equals 6. So we have minus 6 here, right? We have minus sign here, so we have minus 6, so that's 6 minus 6. And log base 4 to the 16, so log base 4 to the 16, and 16 is 4 squared, so this will be equal to 2 log base 4 of 4, and log 4 of 4 is equal to 1, so this is also 2, so we have plus 2, and then 2 log base 4 of 2 is equal to that will be equal to 2 log 4, 2 will be equal to 2 log 4 of 4 to the power of 1/2, right? Because 4 to the power 4 square root is equal to 2, right? So 4 square root, or 4 to the power of 1/2 is equal to 2. So we have 4 to the power of 1/2. 1/2 goes to the front, so this becomes 2 times 1/2 multiplied by log base 4 times 4. That cancels out to 1. This also cancels out to 1, so this is basically 1. We have 1 times 1. So we have plus 1 here. So we have 6 minus 6 plus 2 plus 1. That's equal to 3. So we have 3 as our main answer here. And yeah, so that's how it goes. So log base 3 of 729 minus 2 log base 3 times 3 to the cube plus log base 4 of 16 plus 2 log base 4 of 2 is equal to basically 3. So that's how you would use the power rule in logarithms. I hope you guys found this video helpful. I hope you guys have a good time solving many logarithm problems, and I'll see you guys next one. Peace.